Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chablee. I've been losing a lot of my hair lately, and I tried this DIY hair mask and it stopped my hair from falling out so much. This is my hair journey natural curly hair vlog. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified to have more videos. And follow me on my Instagram and my jewelry, chablee.com. I think I found the remedy for my hair loss, for me at least. It's crazy how good this works on my curly natural hair. So I have been experimenting on different DIY hair masks, and I am so happy that this one worked. Okay, make for sure your aloe vera plant is very clean. Now you're going to cut the end off like I already did, and I'm not going to use the whole plant of aloe vera because a little bit goes such a long ways, and we're going to get the actual gel out of the aloe vera for this hair mask, so we're not going to need the outer part. So I like to cut it in two sections, and then make for sure you cut that spiky part and be very careful. I cut one end off, and then I'm going to cut the other end off. Aloe vera contains enzymes that repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. Alright, so now it's time to slice the aloe vera in half. And once you slice it directly in the middle in half, it's going to look like this. And this is where all the aloe vera slippery slime gel is at. And this is what's going to give that really nice, great curl pattern for your hair. So again, why we're doing this great DIY hair mask that really will help you from losing hair, or if you're just shedding just a little bit more than normal, this will completely stop it. I mean, sis, this really helped me. It helped reduce my dandruff. It's good for conditioning hair, and it brings smoothness and shine to your hair. It maintains a really healthy pH of your scalp. It promotes hair growth. We love that. And it reduces hair loss. I mean, that's what the purpose of me doing this. And aloe vera can be used in so many different ways. I mean, you can use aloe vera as a pre-poo, a detangler, a conditioner. I mean, so anyway, we're going to scrape this really good aloe vera gel. You guys, you scrape it right off of the leaf like this. You can do it with a spoon or a knife, whatever you prefer. So I don't know if anybody ever mentioned this in their aloe vera, YouTube videos, but I'm going to mention it in mine, y'all, because y'all need to know this. This is the key point of using aloe vera for any DIYs, not only mine, So when you use this aloe vera from a plant, you should strain it. Strain it well. You can use a cheesecloth, a stocking, a strainer. Just make sure you really strain it well when you scrape out the aloe vera gel. I gotta say it, but if you don't strain it well, you know what can happen? The residue, y'all, the residue is the sticky part. It's on the end of the aloe vera plant too. That's why we cut it off. But the residue, it can leave a very white residue flake in your hair that can make it look like you have dandruff, and actually make your hair dry, and it can give you dandruff, or it can even look like you have dandruff. So you want to make sure you really strain it well. All right, continue watching all the way through, you guys, because I have to introduce the next ingredients, and I'm going to speed up the video a little bit. Dragon fruit helps keep your hair from falling out and being dry and brittle. Prevents breakage. Vitamin B creates red blood cells that carry oxygen and nutrients to the cells in the scalp and the hair follicles. I love this fruit. You can use just the peeling like I did in this video, or you can use the inside of the dragon fruit. But the inside just tastes so good, y'all, so I'm just using the peelings. Alright, so now it's time to place the dragon fruit and the aloe vera in this blender. And yeah, you kind of would need a blender because you really want to get it nice and fine and creamy so it doesn't getting big chunks in your hair. So make sure it's very fine and smooth. Similar to this, even smoother, because I made a mistake making it too chunky. And then I'm going to apply some castor oil. This is the one that I usually use. I'll put the link down below. Get it on Amazon, whatever amount you prefer. I'm doing about approximately 2 teaspoons. You could use grapeseed oil or coconut oil, but I prefer castor oil. This is everything a curly girl ever wanted. For defining soft, frizzy, free curls and curls that have slip and so easy to detangle. Yes, ladies, this is the bomb DIY. Like bubblegum, yes, or some kind of candy. So make for sure before you even think about putting this in your hair or applying it in your hair, make for sure your hair is not really tangled or matted up. Okay, ladies, make sure your hair is already detangled, combed through, brushed through, no knots, no tangles, you know what I mean? Just make sure you do that first, because I don't want you to be having a tornado putting this in your hair and getting it stuck in your hair. So make sure you do that. Now when I apply it to my hair, it's no like fast way to do it or anything. Some people part their hair up in different sections, but I like to first apply it to my damaged hair. So my damaged hair is midway through my hair, and definitely my ends, girl. My ends need this so much because I really want to replenish my curls and soften my hair and help my tips. So I really apply it to my ends first. It is a bit chunky. I did make a mistake, ladies. Yes, I'm gonna raise my hand. I made a mistake with this DIY. So when you get that dragon fruit, okay, it has like a little texture of a little bit of pieces of extra skin hanging out. So cut that off nicely, because I left that in my DIY, and that's why it's a little bit chunky, because the blender couldn't really blend that up nicely. So, but other than that, this is a really bomb DIY. Like the outcome, I'm still shocked, and I can't wait to do it correctly with getting those extra pieces of skin, you know, taking those extra little textures of the skin of the dragon fruit off, and that will make a big difference. So I'm almost done. I'm just doing like, you know, 3 to 2 sections on each side and just applying it. And you can put this directly on your scalp. It is like fertilizing your hair. So make sure your scalp gets it on there, because it is going to help those follicles, ladies. Yes. Yes, applying it directly on the scalp of your hair can make a major improvement in your scalp, in your hair. Again, it'll get that great hair growth, and it has really, you know, this dragon fruit is so high in antioxidants and all different enzymes, y'all, that helps treat your hair issues. So yes. I love this DIY. Like, I'm gonna do this at least once a week. That's how much like this did a miracle on my hair loss, y'all. I mean, my hair was just falling out and I wasn't even doing anything. But you know, you lose about 60 strands of your hair every day. So if you're washing your hair once a week, that's going to be more than what you would, you know, it's going to look like a lot of hair because it's going to be adding up. But anyway, enough said. We're going to jump in this shower. I mean, my kitchen sink. I'm not doing a sexy shower no more because it is too cold to be in a bikini trying to act like I'm not cold with the door open and no steam. So I'm gonna do the rinsing, the full on rinsing right here in my kitchen sink, and it's great because it won't clog up my pipes. So let's get started with that. Enjoy the rain. Oh yeah, ladies, so if you have curly hair similar to mine, my hair type is 3C, 4A, 4B. Yeah, like three different things going on in my head. So I am rinsing this DIY out with really cold water. Cold water helps to seal the criticals in the hair, and it keeps the protein bonds of your hair intact. This heals the frizz of your hair shaft and gives it a well-defined, soft and smooth texture that I love, and I can really feel the difference as I'm rinsing it out. Also, it seals the cuticles, adding a glossy look to your hair by locking in the moisture. And that's why it's really important to use super cold water. Now, hot water opens up your hair criticals, which helps the shampoo. If you're doing a shampoo, it just helps improve that. But look at that, y'all. Now, tell me, that looks like a straight curly weave, like for real, y'all. When you get it from China, it be having like that wave pattern and that looks like, I'm joking. But anyway, I just love how my hair feels right now. It feels so soft. The hair is really clunky. The curls are locked together. I mean, and this is just like rinsing it right out the back, you know. So now I'm letting the air dry a little bit. Just wanted to show you guys. Now I do have some pieces left in there. I did not use any shampoo or any conditioner. Yeah. So don't forget to leave a comment down below and like this video, guys. But definitely leave a comment because I want to know if you ever tried aloe vera. What was your experience? What did you do when you lost more hair than normal? Because that's basically what I was going through. So please leave the comments down below, or or if you have any other questions regarding to this video, I will answer them. And that's my daughter Shadaya. And happy holidays to you guys, and love one another and treat one another equal so we can all be loved. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks.